My sister actually came here due to some similar issues to me, and she had great success, so she suggested I try it. So here I am. My issues were pretty consistent low back pain, as well as I would have these episodes of throwing out my back, which was fairly debilitating. And it was repeatedly happening, and I was miserable. So that's what brought me here. My experience here has been completely awesome and life-changing. I followed the regimen pretty well, I would say, and through coming in through the consistent adjustments and then the different exercises that Dr. Ryan gave me, and I have completely done a complete 180. I have not had any throwing out of my back issues or spasms since coming here, which is amazing. And my low back pain is all but gone. My favorite thing about Dr. Ryan is his approach, where it's a totally holistic approach, and he's very aware of so many other things related to the body. And if I'm having other issues or things like that, he knows what to do. He has great suggestions. So yes, I would 100,000% refer someone to this practice.